The ketogenic diet, or keto, has taken the health and wellness world by storm. It's more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle shift with numerous health benefits. Keto focuses on low carbs, moderate protein, and high healthy fats. This helps your body use ketones for fuel instead of glucose. Ketosis impacts body composition, energy, and well-being. Many turn to keto for weight loss. It helps tap into stored fat reserves. Benefits include increased energy and mental clarity. In this guide, we'll explore keto fundamentals. Get ready to unlock the ketogenic lifestyle. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here, we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips, advice, and inspiration. Let's discover a healthier, happier life together. To truly grasp the ketogenic diet, we need to understand the science behind it. Ketosis. Typically, your body uses glucose, derived from carbohydrates, as its primary source of energy. However, when you significantly reduce carbohydrate intake, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for fuel. Here's how it works. When you limit carbs, your body's glucose stores deplete. Your liver then steps in, converting stored fat into molecules called ketones. Ketones travel through your bloodstream, providing energy for your brain, muscles, and organs. This shift from glucose to ketones as the primary fuel source is the hallmark of the ketogenic diet. The benefits of running on ketones are compelling. Ketones provide a cleaner, more efficient energy source compared to glucose. Many keto dieters report increased energy levels throughout the day, with fewer energy crashes or cravings. Additionally, burning fat for fuel can lead to significant weight loss and improvements in body composition. While the ketogenic diet centers around fat, it's not an excuse to indulge in unhealthy fats. The key to a successful and sustainable keto journey lies in choosing nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Embrace healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. These foods are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Load up on non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are low in carbs and packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Choose high-quality protein sources such as grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, wild-caught fish, and eggs. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can be especially helpful during the initial stages of keto adaptation. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, but an eating pattern that complements the ketogenic lifestyle. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Popular methods include the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. Intermittent fasting helps regulate insulin levels, allowing your body to utilize stored fat for energy. This combination can be a game changer for weight loss and metabolic health. However, it's not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. Insulin resistance is a condition that often goes undiagnosed, yet it plays a significant role in weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. In a nutshell, insulin resistance occurs when your cells become less responsive to insulin signals, making it difficult for glucose to enter your cells for energy. As a result, your pancreas produces even more insulin to compensate, leading to chronically elevated insulin levels. This hormonal imbalance can have a cascade of negative effects on your body, including increased fat storage, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. The good news is that both the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting can help improve insulin sensitivity, effectively reversing insulin resistance. By reducing carbohydrate intake and extending fasting periods, you help regulate insulin levels, allowing your cells to regain their sensitivity to this crucial hormone. Another key strategy is making sure you're getting enough sleep. When you're not getting enough rest, your body is going to hold on to fat, plain and simple. So make sure you're prioritizing those Z's and getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. And finally, don't be afraid to mix things up and try new things. The keto diet is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. So don't be afraid to try new recipes, new ingredients, and new workout routines. The more variety you can add to your routine, the more likely you are to see real results. So there you have it, the keto diet plan that can help you boost your fat burning and get the results you've been dreaming of. Remember, the key is to focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick to in the long term. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And, most importantly, don't give up. You got this. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences with the keto diet, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you want more health tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video all about how to boost your metabolism and torch even more fat.